I'm going to talk to you about hidden in plain view. Here's a 12-ounce can of beans, and here's a really unique can opener. It doesn't usually can openers work like this, right? Well, this one works like this and opens the can this way, and it makes the can very usable for, now notice I had, hidden in plain view. So this can be in your cabinet or on the shelf or wherever. You can hardly tell that it's been opened. And that's the cool part. If you notice, I put rocks in there. Why would I put rocks in there? Because I want it to be about the same weight as another can, unopened can of beans. And hey, look at that. Good guess. So they feel about the same, they look about the same, and they'll sit on the shelf about the same. Is a Pampered Chef can opener. And what it does, I'll actually open these up for you, curls over the edges of the can so there are no sharp edges like cans have. There's no sharp edges on this one. So if you want to use it, if you need a pen holder, there you go, or anything, but I use it for hidden in plain view. You can hide stuff here and there. So this is how it works. Put it on there, you can feel it engage, and then you turn, just like the other ones. But that's how this works, see? So you open this, and this has these little pliers. So you take the pliers and pop open your can. So that's how that works. Maybe I should put it back in the cabinet like this. Surprise my wife. No, I don't think she'll appreciate that. So I just wanted to share that with you. This real special can opener. I don't know if Pampered Chef is the only maker of these can openers or what, but it does a great job for hidden in plain view. Okay, we'll check it out. What are you doing in there? Cut.